Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some thrilling news about the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro. Leaked images hint at a huge camera upgrade, and we're here to break it all down for you. Let's dive in. iPhone 16 Pro release date. Apple usually announces new iPhones in September, with the devices hitting shelves about 10 days later. As we approach September 2024, rumors are buzzing about the iPhone 16 Pro. First concept images. In late April, we saw the first concept images of the iPhone 16 Pro. These showed a larger display, a sleek titanium frame, and a new capture button for easier camera handling. New leak from Imagine Boo. On May 28, prominent leaker Imagine Boo, with almost 50,000 followers on X, formerly Twitter, shared images of iPhone 16 Pro cases. The standout feature? A significantly larger camera cutout compared to the current Pro model, suggesting a major camera upgrade. Camera upgrade details. Before these case leaks, there was speculation that Apple would narrow the gap between the Pro and Pro Max models. Many believe the iPhone 16 Pro will get the 5x telephoto lens currently exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The larger camera cutout on the iPhone 16 Pro case supports this theory. For those unfamiliar, the 5x telephoto lens on the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers incredible zoom capabilities without sacrificing image quality. Bringing this feature to the iPhone 16 Pro would be a huge win for mobile photography enthusiasts, allowing them to capture stunning close-up shots with amazing detail. Rumors about the camera sensor. Rumors also suggest the iPhone 16 Pro will use the same camera sensor as the iPhone 15 Pro. However, the addition of the 5x telephoto lens would still be a significant improvement, enhancing the user experience and giving photographers more tools to work with. What this means for Apple fans. For Apple fans eagerly awaiting the next iPhone, it looks like the iPhone 16 Pro is shaping up to be a powerhouse in the camera department, catering even more to photography enthusiasts. As with any leaks, take this information with a grain of salt. Apple is known for keeping their final designs and features under wraps until the official announcement. But these leaks give us an exciting glimpse of what's to come. Conclusion. What do you think about the potential camera upgrades on the iPhone 16 Pro? Are you excited about the possibility of a 5x telephoto lens? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more tech news and updates.